welcome to JDDA podcast. Today we have Mrs. Husna Seth. So, ma'am, would you please introduce yourself to us?
I'm a Bangalore girl. I run a studio space which is called Limited Edition, which I started in 2006-2007. That is going to be about 18 years now, which is a bespoke fashion line. We do make-to-measure garments for women. I am super passionate about artisan revival and artisan support programs. We have a lot of dyeing handicrafts into our country. Not only me as a designer, a lot of other designers also. We've also started working towards preserving our heritage and legacy when it comes to weaves and fashion. So that's my basic passion.
So, what did you think about the JDD this year? Like, what stood out to you?
So this is my first year at JD with schools like JD, which provide these platforms to give them the exposure for other designers to come in, see their outfits. It has been very inspiring, I must say. These young adults are so amazingly talented. They have such a new outlook of creating garments. It's an androgynous approach to a garment where it is not just made for a male or a female body, it is made for everyone who needs to look confident and beautiful. So with a smaller capsule collection, you can target a bigger audience, which is amazing, because otherwise we see a lot of outfits which are into dead stocks and end up in landfills, which is so not okay. So I love that approach. I mean, like, the young adults are so used to making these garments which can go from the evening to the night with just the styling approach, and these are classic simple pieces, which is amazing.
So, is there any advice that you could tell the upcoming budding designers?
Never measure your success meter of somebody else. You might look at the success of somebody else and say, oh, that person has achieved it in this point of time, and so on and so forth. I think Shahid Kapoor was saying in a podcast very recently that some people start at 50 meters on a race, some people start at 100, some people start at 200. So where you reach is from where you start with. So if somebody has more privileges than you, not exactly that they might succeed more, but the graph meter will reflect. So never measure your success journey with somebody else. Any start is a good start, and any setback is a learning curve.
Thank you so much.
Thanks so much, Malika. It was a pleasure.